Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss why do we reverse journal entry in NetSuite. In NetSuite, a reversing journal entry is used to reverse a previously recorded journal entry, typically in the next accounting period. Here's why and when it's done. First, accrual accounting adjustments, often used for month-end or year-end accruals, e.g., accrued expenses or income. These entries are reversed in the next period, so the actual expense or income can be recorded against the real invoice or bill. Second, temporary adjustments. For entries that are made temporarily, e.g., estimates, reclassifications, and shouldn't remain permanently in the books. Third, error correction. If an entry was made in error, it may be easier to reverse it and enter the correct one rather than editing the original. Fourth, simplifying period close. Reversing entries help clean up temporary balances at the beginning of a new period, maintaining accurate and clear books. Lastly, audit and compliance. Reversals leave a clear audit trail, showing both the original and reversing entry, rather than deleting or modifying the initial transaction. Note: when creating a journal entry, you can check the box for Defer Entry to make the reversal a memorized transaction that automatically occurs on the date entered in the required reversal date field. Tips: always check with your accounting team on correct reversal timing. Use the memo field to clarify the reason for reversal. Review your posting period to make sure it's open before saving. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.